In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji or icon to a Trello list and card. Whether you're managing tasks for work or organizing your personal projects, using emojis can make your Trello boards not only more visually appealing, but also more organized and fun. Let's get started with this simple process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. If you're not already there, navigate to Trello's website and click on the Login button. A great and convenient option you might consider is logging in with Google. Simply click on the Google option and select the account you wish to use. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to head over to the Trello board where you want to add some flair. For this demonstration, let's go to your list either by clicking the board directly from your dashboard or by using the URL of the specific board. Once you are on your board, identify the list or card where you'd like to add an emoji or icon. Clicking on the title of the list or card will allow you to edit it. Here's where the magic happens. To open up your Windows emoji keyboard, press the Windows key and the semicolon key simultaneously. For Mac users, no worries. Your emoji keyboard can be accessed with Control, Command and the spacebar keys simultaneously. This will reveal a host of emojis that you can choose from. Take a moment and browse through the different emojis available. From smiley faces to symbols and more, you're sure to find the perfect one to match your task or mood. Just click on the emoji or icon you want and it will be inserted directly into the title of your list or card. If that all seems too easy, that's because it is. Adding emojis is such a straightforward way to bring a dash of colour and personality to your Trello boards. One thing to keep in mind though is to maintain balance. While it can be tempting to use multiple emojis for flair, remember that the key to using emojis effectively is moderation. Too many emojis can clutter your board and detract from its usability, so it's wise to use them in ways that add clarity and distinction to your tasks. And that wraps up our quick tutorial on adding emojis to Trello. With these steps, you're all set to make your Trello lists and cards more vibrant and easier to navigate. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you'll enjoy the added flair as you organize your tasks and projects. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.